Unfortunately, I've got to address this poor running Jeep. It's had a blowed head gasket for a while. Anyway, it ain't gonna do me much good running like that, so I'm gonna pull the head off. This shouldn't be too hard. Don't have to pull the exhaust manifold, since the exhaust valves are in the block. She's running on about 2 cylinders now. It's not too good. Here's an unfortunate design flaw. You can't get the carburetor, you can't get the valve cover off without taking the carburetor off. Look at that, there's a head bolt in the intake, which is part of the head. This is an unusual engine. Ooh. Kind of rusty in there too, ain't it? I also found this. That wasn't tight at all, it was just laying there. Doesn't appear to be stripped or nothing. I'm gonna go round up the wife, see if she'll turn the engine over so I can see that the valve train functions before I pull the head bolt. She doesn't want me to video her. She hasn't been to the makeup trailer yet. I think she looks fine. Alright, turn the engine over. Just spin it. Push the clutch in so you don't run me over. Alright, do it.
No.
Oh, that's because I ain't got no battery in it. That ain't gonna work. It does appear that the valves could use an adjustment. That one's tight, must be up on the load, but shoot, that's a good 30 thousandths. That's probably 40. Yes, sir. Alright. Now she's been to the makeup trailer.
No, I have not.
The makeup crew has got her all fixed up so she don't mind being on camera. Alright, I got the head ready to come off. I did the heavy lifting. Will you take this head off for me? While I go sit and relax? No.
It's up to you.
No, she says.
I'm going home.
That means I gotta put fuel in it.
Sorry.
Well, there it is. The head's off. Appears to me it was leaking right there. And also didn't look too good right there at the water jacket. And that's the cylinder that was apparently getting the water because it's the cleanest. Also, it has no ridge and some evidence of honing, so I suspect somebody gave her the old ray ring job. The pistons don't say anything on them, so I assume they're standard. I assume. I can see somebody put a seat in the block there. Anyway, that wasn't too hard. And then looking at the head, it's got big old intake valves, don't it? I can see where somebody sanded on it. I wonder if it's not got a low place right there. I think I'll take it home and investigate. Also, Had a 19-pound cap on it. That probably didn't help nothing. Alright, let me get that gasket off there. Yep, true to her word, she's cutting grass. That thing makes more racket than it's got a right to. But it's just shields on the deck that I should bolt down. Also, it's got a PTO shaft that wore out in the middle. There's no end to broke stuff around here. Sadly, I think I'm going to have to get the head resurfaced. This is kind of a rudimentary way of doing things, but let's see if I can get it. Slide it on down, and I can see a pretty good gap right in there. Actually, kind of all along in here. Now that's just a drywall, straight edge, but so I guess I'm gonna have to take it back with me to town.